Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be telling you how I grew my hair this long in 4 years. First things first, I want to start off by saying that I do have I guess good genes. Like my mom has good hair, where everybody really has longer hair. So I just want to make that disclaimer, yeah, it's my genes, makes my hair grow longer too, but stuff that I did to help it is what I'm gonna tell you about. So I cut my hair off in 2017 and it was really short, it was short, but I don't have any pictures to show y'all, sorry about that. But I cut my hair off in 2017 and it's 2021 and this is where we're at. It's pretty long, but we ain't gonna mess up the curls. But yeah, my hair is pretty long. Over these 4 years, it's gotten pretty long. So the first thing that I would say is that I did a lot of deep conditioning in the beginning. I would always deep condition my hair using any oils that I could find around, just doing everything I could to get my hair back long, because I was not used to my hair being short. And I was like, okay, I'm ready for my hair to be long because I don't know what I'm supposed to do with this. So I was doing a lot of deep conditioning. It doesn't really I would just grab random stuff like the little dollar packs that you would get from your local beauty supply store or something from Walmart, just leaving my regular conditioner on my hair with a cap over it for 15 minutes or whatever. I would just always do deep conditioning treatments, just because I knew that was gonna help my hair. And I would watch all kind of YouTube videos, and that's what curly girls would do to their hair. So that's what I would do. Another thing I did back then, I was taking Hairfinity Pills, those big pills. I don't see anybody talking about them anymore, but the Hairfinity Pills, I'm gonna try to find a picture, maybe I can show you or something. But the Hairfinity Pills, I used to take that all the time and they were disgusting. I just remember them being very, very big and very nasty. And yeah, but I honestly feel like it really helped my hair, even though I feel like that did make hair grow everywhere else. It was, yeah, I just felt like I was very hairy extra, but my hair did grow. But I stopped taking that. So another tip I would say is do a lot of low maintenance or protective styles. I would always do twist outs in my hair or wash and goes, but I would just space it out. Say if I put the twist in my hair, I would rock the twist for a little while and then take the twist out, rock my hair like that. Then once it's done, just put it up or something, or just rewash it and do it again. But doing twist outs and just not really messing with your hair too much can really help your hair grow. Well, for me, that's how it worked for me. And I just recommend, try low maintenance styles to keep your hair up. Do use some little twists so you don't have to worry about when you get up in the morning, just fix your edges and go on about your day. And then come back, take the twist out, you a whole new person. You see, it's best of both worlds. It's the best of both worlds. So another tip I have is I was taking Sugarbear Hair vitamins and they worked so good. They work so good. I don't know what it is, but I just know I noticed a big difference in my hair whenever I was taking the Sugarbear Hair vitamins. I'm not taking them right now because I ran out. I don't have them to show you, so that's why I don't have them here in the video, but I religiously took them. I would get the 3-pack because you can either get one single one or you can get a 3-month supply. I would either get the 1 or the 3-month supply and just take 2 a day, and they were so good. So it was so easy for me to take them because they were good. I would look forward to taking them every day. Fat girl 101. Yeah, the Sugarbear Hair vitamins, I didn't notice any extra growth of hair anywhere else in my body. I just noticed, oh, I can put my hair in a ponytail now. Oh, I can do this with my hair. Oh, I can do that with my hair. I just started noticing okay, it's getting longer and longer each time. So yeah, that's one of my biggest things I feel was the Sugarbear Hair and doing deep conditioning a lot. I feel that worked a lot for me. Getting protective styles, braids, twists, anything protective to keep you from messing with your hair every day. That's what I would do. So recently, I would say over the last year, I've been using Kaleidoscope Drops. I have them here and y'all seen me use them in my last video in the curly hair routine, so make sure you go watch that so you can see how I use it. But I just take a few drops and run it down the middle, put it in my hair, and just sit there and massage it. And I feel it's been doing what it's supposed to do. I haven't really noticed a big change in my hair, but I do use it and I feel it might be doing something because my hair is steady growing. So I don't know. Also, this isn't something that I did all the time, but it is something that I know is effective because I see a lot of people doing it. It's the Aztec healing clay, Indian healing clay. So you're supposed to just like use this and apple cider vinegar. You could put it on your face. It's really a mask for all over. You could put it on your body, your face, your hair, everywhere. Like, and it works good. I just don't do it that much because when I do it, it always get like stuck in my head and I don't be having time. I be like, when I'm washing my hair, I'll be ready to get it done and over with because I have so much hair. I don't want to spend all that time doing it. So I don't do the Aztec Clay as much, but I should because I feel like, you know, maybe get my hair real long. I would say just make sure that you're taking care of your hair. You know, take those days out that you don't have anything to do. Wash your hair, do the deep conditioning, do a twist, do a flat twist, braid it, however you know how to do your hair. Do it so it's low maintenance and you're keeping your hair up and so you can have long hair. But I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope I gave some helpful tips. And if you would like to see anything else from me, make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Click the notification bell because I post every Tuesday and Friday. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah!